Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello and welcome back. This is a flip through. If you saw my vlog on Sunday, yesterday, you'll have seen me starting to make this, and I've been working on it all week, bitting and bobbing. I've been very drawn to it all week. Yeah, I keep like finding myself just working on it when I'm supposed to be doing other things. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's mainly a kit from Artymaze. It's one of the kits that I've had in my basket and I've had it printed off. If you remember, I printed all the kits off that I'd bought last year, what I'd never used, and this was one of them, and it's the back Nature's Walk. So yeah, it's from Artymaze. So it's a little bit different really, but it's a little bit the same and a little bit different. So we'll start off with this. So as you can see, it's a file folder. It's one of the American file folders, so it's letter size. I've got some crochet trim down the side, and this is tea stained seam binding, and I've got a little material patch from my Etsy shop. I will put the link down below. She does do a lot of these patches, and I have bought quite a few from her. I've just matted it really on book page, and then some blue card which I had from Christmas when I did the blues and the whites. Just collaged the front with bits from the kit, and then this is old dictionary page, and I've done the same at the back. So that's that. So let's open it up and have a look. Yep. So it opens, let's see that we're in frame. So this is the first page that it opens up to, and this flips out like so, and there's a little card here with an egg on and a label from Tracy Fox. So that pops in there like so. Got some dictionary there and some butterflies from a butterfly book. Then we've got a little pocket here. This is from a kit from Nottingham at college type. And I've got some little bluebirds there. And it's supposed to be like a, you know, the front of something, but I've just used it as a journal card. And just got something at the back with a butterfly, and that pops in there. Then we've got a little corner pocket here with some stamps and some of the deco netting. I forget what it's called. It is in my Amazon favourites. And we've got a postcard here. I do think this is from a kit of Nanians as well. Then we've got some ledger paper here, what Heather sent me. So thank you very much for that, Heather. And at the sides I've just put the Artymaze paper. Lovely forget-me-not from a book and a butterfly. So that pops there. And then at the top is another card with another forget-me-not and a little label from Tracy Fox which says leaf, and I've done it again on the dictionary paper. So that's goes in there like so. Okay, so I'm going to flip it over this way, and we've got this beautiful owl on this side. That's out of a bird book, and it is a big owl. I've been waiting for the chance to use them. Just got a little pocket here. That's one of the lace snippet rolls that I did. That's in my botanical series. And then I've just got these three little letters, and I think they're all postcards, and they're from a kit from Susan Taylor Brown. They are mainly big ones, but down the sides there's lots of little tiny ones. So I printed the whole kit out, and I thought, oh, that'd be perfect, just put in here as if the owls taking the mail. And then this is something that I made in the Woodlands series, and there's also a playlist for that. So it's just on a a file folder from a kit from Nikki, Musings by Nikki. I think it's her grungy files. Got some lovely wrapping paper at the back, a label from Nikki, some dictionary page. I think this is straw paper, that'll be from Julie, some tissue and a little label there, and it's just blank inside. This is a lovely kit. They come really tiny too, you know, a big one on an A4. So that slips in there, and at the back we've got some of the paper from Andrea's kit and some music paper. Then this is a journal card from the kit, and it flips over, so you've got a writing space there. Got a pocket, and that's from Victoria Designs, and I've just popped a stamp on, and that's from a kit from Nottingham. And we've got a Tim Holtz tag, and this will be in my Tim Holtz playlist. And then I've just done some collage with the different papers from Andrea's kit. So that's that. Okay, we'll go that way. So we're still in frame. Got this little, again, this is like a double journal card, and that flips out like so. Got this pocket here, and I wanted to use one of the stamps that I've been making. I knew that I'd got one in blue. I know that I did them mainly in green and brown. And I've just actually ordered a bird one, so, and some more blues. So I shall have to have another wax making session. Just put some little blue and taupe coloured ribbon there, just for a little bit of decoration. This is a journal card that I made with packaging from In Love Arts, and this is one of the stickers from there, and I just made some tags on. I think that's in my Let's Create playlist. And then this is from, I folded this over, so this is actually a separate little pocket there, so you've still got the full pocket here, so that just tucks in there, and that's a little card from Andrea's kit. So pop that back in there, and then I've got that. I think that's from, I need to back that. I should put that to one side. That's from a kit from Nottingham. I've done some collage here. Again, we've got that ledger from Heather and some backing papers from Andrea. And then that's from a book page. So that goes in there. Oh no, we have to keep that out. And then at the side, I've got this big journal card, and I've just used a piece of the kit paper and sewn around it. So that goes in there. Okay. So over here, this little window envelope, Violet made me these, and I've just again used the snippet roll and just put that there. I've added another, that's from Shabby Dabby Doodah, numbers label, and a bit of blue ribbon there. Really love that, and then stamped all over it. And then just a little bit tight, this says. So we've got a card here, and this is wrapping paper, and I've just sewn around it. And then we've got, and I've just sewn around it, so you could use that as a bookmark or leave it in there. So that's my window. I have to glue that bit back up. It's funny, it's not until you do a proper flip through that you do, you know, just notice your little bits that you just need to finish off. So I've collaged all around here. I've put one of the envelopes from the kit. That flips up. And there's a little card from the kit. Okay, so that pops in there, like so. And we'll bring that over. And then we've got one of the little windy bits. And in here, made these in the woodland series as well. Just little notebooks out of an envelope. Can pop that up, and that's a little writing spot. Just open it, and it's just craft paper. And in here, got two little bits. Not sure whose kit that's from, because obviously that's what I did in the autumn. So, and I've just put a paper clip on it to hold it together. So that's that. That goes down and up. Can you see the top? So we've got a vellum pocket here, and I've separated it. And we've just got a little tea card from Back to Nature, and not Back to Nature, Nature's Remedy, and that's from Kelly's Crafts. And again, that's Nature's Remedy and Kelly's Crafts. So they pop in there. Then we've got a notebook here, and that just tucks into there. You see this, and it just tucks in. And obviously once you've used your pages, you can just change them out. I've just put it on some I buy it from Amazon. It's, you know, like vintage printed on paper, but it's got a nice smooth finish. Just put a little belly band there out of dictionary page. That's a Tim Holtz, and I've just put this little butterfly. That was somewhere else on the kit, but I wanted to put that in. And the top of the notepad is just off a file folder. I'd cut a file folder down for, I think, backing tags or something, and I thought that would be a good one to put on there. So that goes like that. That sits in there. So this is kind of what it is. This is like your interactive part. How I normally do an altered file folder, and then a lot of the times I'll keep one of the sides open and a book will come out. The last one I did, I put one there, but I thought I wanted it a total separate thing, that this was just you know, your interactive part where you can perhaps use this to just put quotes and little memories on all the cards and things like that. So that's that part. So yeah, we looked at the back, didn't we? Right, I'm going to leave that there so I remember to back it. So then I made a separate pouch for the journal to go in. It's just an A5 40 side notebook really. So, and it lives in here. So I've collaged bits of the kit, some more of that ledger paper that Heather sent me, and put some crochet trim here, little book plate and a little bow. And then on the back, this big vellum pocket. And if you saw one of the Roxy challenges, we made these expandable ephemera envelope folder things. This has got tea stained seam binding, some crochet trim, and I've just done this like little book plate. Just built it with some blue card kit paper, and that's from the kit. What have I done here? Okay, and it opens up, and then that's all things left from the kit and other bird things just out of different kits, and I've just popped them all in there, and they can then be used in the journal. So that's that. So pop that through there. So yeah, when I started making it, I realised that I'd done one of these in blues and that, and I thought, oh, that'll just go with that kit lovely. Really like that. So that's that bit. And then this is a pouch, and it's all been sewn around. And then we've got this little A5 one signature journal. So again, that's from the kit, and I've put the navy paper and just some brown paper, some more crocheted trim. I've done the cover, the front's 200 GSM, and inside I've actually put the decorator's paper. I was thinking that it'd make it sound crunchy, but it doesn't, but it gives you that airy feel, which I really do like. And then I've just put, that's kit paper, not card, and then I've put vellum there, and I think that looks wonderful. Really love that. I love this navy blue paper. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to print that out again and do some collages with it, and birds and things. And then it's just sheets of tea stained paper, and they're all different, from all different batches, so you get all different types of colours and stuff. So that's that. Yeah, I've had an absolutely lovely time making it. So this will be in my shop when this video goes up. It will be within about 2 hours from when the video goes up. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I'm going to make another one. I don't know if I'll be as quick this week, because I was just dead excited to do this. So the next one might take me a little while. And that's another kit from Andrea, what I'd bought and not used, and that's Beautiful Birds. So that's going to be in greens and browns. So thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll start it off again in next week's vlog, so you'll be able to see that. So that's it. Thanks a lot. Speak to you soon. Bye.